delicious donut? Follow me. Don't forget to watch the whole video to learn how to make these delicious donuts like me. Hey, do you want to learn how to make vanilla donuts? Wait, before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below to get more fun videos of Armine's Tea Party Bakery. Here's my sister Adina. Let's get started. Now we're gonna go over our ingredients for our delicious donut. Now we're gonna start with our dry ingredients. We have flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, milk, butter, egg. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Are you ready, Zinzin? Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Pause. Now we have to turn the oven to 350 degrees. And don't forget to get an adult to help you.
Bake 350 on. Now it's gonna heat up.
Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. First we're gonna add our dry ingredients. We're gonna add the flour. Whoa, this moves a little tricky. I'm gonna dump you in. We're gonna add the salt. Oh. My sister is gonna pour my baking powder. Yay! Bye bye baking powder. Thank you. Now we're gonna add the sugar.
Okay, that's fine.
Just a little bit, just a little bit. Take some from me, I wanna do the rest. Try one more sip. Just one more sip. Just two more, just two more. Miss Assistant, can you mix this for me? Of course. Go, that's some power. Gentle, gentle. Like this. Oh, I like that. You like its flour. How do you like flour? I love it. You love flour? Now we're gonna put it to the side and we'll get on our wet ingredients. Okay, now we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. First we're gonna mix the milk. Dina, are you ready? Yeah. Oh my, I accidentally spilled some. And then, Assistant, can you please put in the vanilla extract? The milk is turning brown like coffee. I'm gonna whisk it. I don't know if I'm gonna whisk it. Now we're gonna add the butter. Butter, you got them then. Thank you. It looks like eggy. Looks like an egg. Like an egg packet. The last thing we're gonna add is our egg. Oh, I'll do it. You crack it and I pour it, okay?
Okay? So the shells don't go in.
Looks like strawberry milk.
Go.
What? Crack it. It's a really funny sound. Stir-looter. We're gonna put our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients to mix them. It looks like SpaghettiOs. Look at this, guys. So fluffy. It is actually so good. Onto the wicks. My favorite part. Now we're gonna put sprinkles into the bowl. Add pink and blue. And then you can go first, actually. Put it in. And I'm gonna go right here. Now we're gonna whisk it again. This looks pretty. They actually look like mini tiny bites. Now we're gonna fill up our donut molds. Do you want me to show you? Yeah. With that spoon, we're gonna fill in our donut mold. Now make sure we butter it up so our donuts don't get sticky. We're gonna do a lot. Perfect. Now I think it's ready for donut dough. Grab a spoon and scoop it up. Whoa, this is a big one. Ooh, that's a big one. Big scoop. Running out of dough. Let's count our donuts and see how many we were able to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 donuts. I'm gonna put them in the oven to 10 to 12 minutes. Patty cake, baker's man with me. your donuts in the oven. I'm getting my mitten. Mom! Have that donut. See you later. It looks so fluffy. So fluffy. This one has a belly, a big fat belly. Now we took them out of the oven. Now we're gonna wait for them to cool down. We'll see you back, guys. Now we're back. Now we're gonna decorate our donuts. We have chocolate glaze, strawberry glaze, and sprinkles. We got peep sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, pink sprinkles, with yellow sprinkles and blue sprinkles. I'm gonna grab a donut and dip it into the chocolate. Do this one. Dip. Now I'm gonna do a pink one now. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my. Let's do this one over here. Strawberry again. Get that good chocolate sweet. Then do one here. You wanna do one? Get all that sauce that it has. This is perfect. Strawberry glaze. Strawberry. The last one that we're gonna make is chocolate. Now let's decorate them with sprinkles. Do some blue sprinkles. Rainbow sprinkles. Some rainbows. Are you eating the sprinkles, assistant? Yeah. Why are you eating them? Are you ready to taste our donuts? 1, 2, 3! A strawberry glaze on my mouth. It is so yummy, soft, and delicious.
Armine, can you help her with the donut? She wants to try one.
This one?
Yes. Give it to her. Take a here. Put it in her mouth. Big bite.
Put it in your mouth. I think it's good. Bye, friends. Hope you guys had a lot of fun with me baking these delicious donuts. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to get more episodes of Armine's Tea Party. Bye. Gummy. Ooh, I forgot to try the chocolate one. Let's see. Mmm.